Yo, yo, what's up, party people? It's 5:05 p.m. on is it Wednesday today? I don't know. But I'm working on something, and instead of making something like a fancy tutorial, I thought, shit, I'm just going to show you how it's done. At least what I'm learning, right? Like, I don't really think about myself as a pro. I just really like to design. It makes me happy. Trying to do more of that, less of the CEO. Shoot. So, anyway, um, I want to show you about auto layout and what I'm learning. Okay, so I wanted to make working on this site for one of our partner brands, and I wanted to use this pagination here in this area. I'm just gonna like take a little like in that area. And right here, and then I wanted to be able to then expand it, disregard the lack of circles there, but like take the arrow and put it in the right place, and then do it again and do it again and do it again. So here's what I did. Here's what I'm doing. First, with auto layout, you get the elements that you want to have in there, right? So I need an arrow and I need a disc, an ellipsis, or ellipse. I don't know. Let's not English today. So then the second thing I do is I build out this whole frame, right? Where is in this frame, in this one here, this layer, I'm going to actually, anyway, oh, there we go. Sweet. I'm going to make that darker so you can see the numbers. So in frame 6 here, I just make sure that I have the arrows and ellipsis all set up. And then what's cool is I go in there and I just make that, like here, let's start over, right? So in this one, well, here, I'll show you. In this one, we're going to pull this down. It is not auto layout yet. Then I'm going to say, okay, cool, make it auto layout. And then I'm going to click into frame 8 here, over here on the side. And I'm just going to start, I'm going to duplicate those again and again, right? And I'm probably going to mess this up. Yeah, so here's this thing I've got to do. So see how I had it in a group? I've got to take it out of that group. That was my bad. Sorry about that. So boom, look at that. So it just automatically, adds the spacing and so on and so forth. That was cool. So if we back up, I'm going to start over again here. Forgive me. I'm not going to do this twice. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just trying to do something cool real fast. So what we're going to do, I'm going to immediately take it out of that group that it was in, because that group is not going to help. Then frame 8 here, we come over here, boom, we make it an auto layout. Grab those two, duplicate that shit, boom, that's amazing. It just immediately expands the row there. And then I come here back to frame 8, and I can set my padding between these elements. In my case, I want it to be 12. Now here is the jam. Here's the crazy stuff about auto layout is, well, here, we'll do this we'll make a new frame from the one I made. So frame 8 now becomes frame 9. And then what's really neat here, if I want to create one that looks like this one here in frame 9, I open it up and I look at the beginning arrow. And so now let's say I want to make the second thing an arrow. Then I hide that one. And then I leave this one. And then I hide all of the next arrows. And it just, quickly makes, what I want. Now, where this gets powerful is I make then this frame, I make this, auto layout a symbol, or in my case, or in Figma's case, a component. Rest in peace, Sketch. Love you. Seriously love you. Thankful for you. Anybody who's dissing Sketch, like, get off your high horse. It changed my life, and I'm thankful for it. I'm just currently using Figma because it has auto layout. And that could all change tomorrow if, Sketch introduces some new cool feature. Anyway, the point is that if you turn this into a component, then you can put it all over in your different, I can put it down here in this slide and I can treat it one way. And then I can put it down here in this one and I can treat it a different way. And that's awesome. So in other words, the same core component with the same master can just have hidden and shown elements, and it can change. So that way I can just make one component, boom, 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 and still have different states. So you can imagine what you can do then. Another quick project I'll show you that I did this in. Let's see what reason. Don't look at these projects. Let's see, what's it called? Resonate. All right, so in this one, I did the same thing, but I did it with a vertical menu, right? So you come in here and you look at this vertical menu, and what you can see in the menu over here, I've got like things hidden. So if I start showing stuff, I can have a really expanded, menu, right? Like I can come in here, and the way I set it up is I can say, I want this to say menu. I want this to say, projects. And I want this to say, sketch, I love you, or whatever, right? And man, that's cool. That is super cool. So now then, okay, I think that's the master. And then here's another one. And in this one, I can come in and say, Figma, this is weird typing this way, the best. And boom, now I've got two different versions. Again, did not change this top one. See, that stayed sketch. That's so hot. That is so good, so hot, so cool. And then two, you can come and you can do things like, let's see, where did I put this? Oh, you can change color too, right? So this one is same kind of menu, but you can actually change, like you can put a block like this and you can, change the color of this to white as it should be. Oh, watch this too. This is so crazy. So this is my component. Let's say I want to put that on the other side of the menu, and watch this. Bloop. Come on. Why is this not working? Just kidding. Okay, well, that's a neat thing that should work, and I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I have to do this. I don't know. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, select up, down, nope. All right. Anyway, that you should be able to do that, so I don't know why that's not working. But, have fun out there, people. I'll go solve that bug. You have a good time, have a good week, and have some fun with auto layout. Cool. Bye.